Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Telegram bot to a Telegram group on your PC step by step. If you want to use a bot to automate tasks, moderate your group, or add useful features, this process is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Telegram on your computer and sign into your account. Next, open the group where you want to add the bot. At the top of the chat, click on the group name to open the group information page. Now click the Add Members button. In the search box, type the username of the Telegram bot you want to add. When the bot appears in the search results, click on it. Next, click Add to add the bot to your group. If prompted, confirm that you want to add the bot. Once the bot has been added, return to the group chat. Depending on the bot, you may need to send a command such as /start or follow the bot's setup instructions. If the bot requires administrator permissions, open the group information page again. Click Administrators, then select Add Admin. Choose the bot from the member list. Select the permissions you want to grant the bot, then click Save or Done. Your bot is now ready to use in the group. And that's it. You've successfully added a Telegram bot to a Telegram group on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.